We are starting our winter tour.
And I think you can hear the noise from the back. That's my wheel.
This looks so sick. Smelling a bit like rubber. Oh, damn.
Basically, I think I can't drive like that.
Heading back to Kane. Great start.
How's your car running?
I lost my BMW sign.
Hell no.
Car rep said goodbye. This side.
So there's a bit of a size difference now. Oh my god. We made it to Wien. We've slept 1 hour the whole night. I'm losing my wrap.
Good morning, Alex.
A wonderful good morning, Sugar Bunny. So it is officially day 2 of the drive. If you've seen the last video, you will know that some stuff went wrong with Lewis. So they showed up, they called me like mad early. I woke up from
Me
it,
too.
And now they're here. They're like, yeah, we want to keep driving, but apparently they're sleeping. It's wake up call time there. So he's gonna do his magic.
Full time!
Okay, I think Lewis will start. Good morning, mate.
Oh, we got our navigator here. You know, he's a bit shy on camera. He doesn't want to speak English that much.
Can't.
I can't speak English that much. But that's okay, we respect it. Back here, there's some mechanic thingies happening. Alrighty, beautiful, I think. How are you feeling?
I'm great.
Okay, very nice. Very, very good. You know how many kilometers we have to drive today?
900.
Yes, sir.
So since the start, I've driven exactly 649 kilometers.
Beautiful. I did 560 something.
Good.
So you did 100 more, basically. Good job, mate. You did 100 more and took 3 hours longer.
I had to go back.
Bye, Lewis. Take care, mate. Thank you so much, all right? I appreciate that. Hope you have a great day. But can we talk about one thing?
Yeah, please.
That is iClip. Because you have been using it now as well. And, and we can be honest, because you were very skeptical.
I thought like same as you did basically, because I have my wallet, I was used to it and stuff, and I thought like this is so small and stuff,
Yeah.
it's inconvenient, stuff's going to fall out.
Yeah.
But I was proved wrong,
Yeah.
actually, so
Yeah.
it's great.
Same here. Honestly, the size, the fit, everything, literally perfect. It's a lot of fun to use it because you literally just do not feel it when using it. And just for filling up and stuff, you can literally slide your card like that, tap to pay, perfect, done. Crazy, right?
It is amazing, this thing.
If you would want something, okay, from iClip, you can go onto their website. It's the first link in the description, okay? There's over 100 different variants of these beautiful wallets, just like this one. Different colors, sizes, everything you want. And it's made in Germany, which is very good because Germany stands for
Quality.
exactly, my friend. Thank you for being the main sponsor.
Don't forget, stay healthy. Look at us. We've got 8 apples, 20 bananas, and
You have
like,
cucumbers back there.
yeah, everything. So if you want to grab a healthy snack, then go ahead.
I appreciate it. Hey, Lewis is such a health king.
I am.
Do you
I
want
had McDonald's for breakfast.
exactly. Do you want a matcha latte or something?
A what?
A matcha latte.
Nah, f that.
Exactly, that's what I thought. So first stop of the day is gonna be the beautiful thing called a petrol station. I'm very pleased with the fuel consumption of the car. That is actually really, really, really good. Oh, that was a short night. That was a very short night, but it was a good night. Slept easy. The second day has started and we are officially on our way to Romania. Thumbs up for the Satin Crew, nice. Yeah, but just a quick fuel stop and then we head out to Romania. First stop, love that about Austria 147. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, but I'm going to grab a coffee.
Okay, we got a quick oil change. Well, not change, but fill up.
Completely empty?
Very much. Completely empty?
Yes.
Lucas, thank you for being the smart man again. What would I do without you?
Yeah,
Come on, talk to us.
No.
Talk to us, come on, Lucas. How much do you think we should always put in? Like a liter maybe?
No. Also jetzt haben wir schon mal 2 Liter weg.
That's all I feel. So I got oil now. Huh? He was literally just like, no, I don't need to check oil. Do you want to thank me?
Yeah, thanks.
400 kilometer, 5 liter empty.
We're going to go and buy oil. I think that's very smart.
Yeah, that's actually smart.
Okay guys, we got oil. Very nice. So let's keep going. Such a shitbox vibe, I love it.
My car is driving still great. I can't complain about it. We have like 9 hours to go today. This is going to be a lot of driving. But I'm feeling comfy. I got my ear-on sound system, which is amazing, I have to say. The CarPlay is working so good.
Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Look at it, this is so sick! Damn son, we got an E46 gang. Oh god, this looks so sick. Back on the road again, and now we're driving into Hungary. We got vignettes and everything, so we should be all good to go. It's 10 euros, so it's actually not too bad if any of you actually want to go there. Quick shift is just working beautifully. Nice.
So it's me again, guys, and we are now in Hungary. We got like 8 hours and 30 minutes to go. I'm excited for something to eat. I want to eat something fresh. I want to eat a salad or something, because I don't want to eat pasta or potatoes, because then you will get tired because of the Kohlenhydrate.
Alrighty guys, the streets here seem to be very slippery. So currently we are in Hungary still, obviously. We're literally just driving because we want to get some food. And like everyone got so surprised because literally the road feels like it's dumped with oil. Yeah, works. Just a little bit slippery.
Boah, Stadt. Junge. Junge, ist es geisteskrank, glaub ich.
Ja, ich merk's.
Opa, bremsen. Ja.
Okay, ready for some food? Yeah. Let's go. And we've made it to our lunch spot.
We made it.
Lewis, how are you feeling?
Thank you. I'm a bit tired, but I'm fine. The last 10 minutes of driving were very fun.
Yeah, oh my god.
Sketchy, but very fun.
Yeah. Are you having a good time?
Yes, of course. But this
Very
driver
good.
is very spectacular.
Everyone having a good time?
Excited for something to eat.
Sorry?
Excited for something to eat.
That's nice. Are you?
Yeah.
Oh. Alrighty, let's wait for food. And it looks really good. Alright, enjoy guys.
Thank you.
No worries. Lewis, enjoy your food. Looks really good. No worries, man.
Thank you for thank you for the rear wheel drive cars and the BMWs, which we are going to up, but we have a lot of fun with it. So yeah, and now in German. Gute Flugzeuge haut
Ich hab gedriftet auf Stuhl. It's time to go back to the race cars. It's literally gonna be sliding home for Christmas. Should I check oil or do you think it's okay? Let's go. Help. Let's see. Oh, that is looking juicy.
I don't think so.
Do you think it's not enough?
No. You need to fill some.
Yeah, that would be smart to maybe check this one because Luis will not check it because he's lazy as Yeah, we need glass, my guy. We have a lot, by the way, with us. Dry clean. Yeah,
that's
genius,
the right
mate. Zonax literally is amazing. Nice. Beautiful. Oh yes, get in there. Willst du meinen auch machen?
Meine auch.
Alter, macht selber.
Hallo, das ist unser Scheibenklar. Sag doch mal dankbar.
Mein Scheibenklar, gib mir den wieder.
What is happening here?
We just drunk it.
Okay, let's roll. Let's drive civilized, obviously. Now the roads are like the most slippy roads I have ever seen. Ow.
Oh, so comfy in here. The seats are absolutely amazing. The quick shifter, by the way, damn. If you got an E46, buy this thing. And the Eon infotainment system is pure love.
Is everything okay?
I think so, yes.
Are you sure?
It's just a little bit smoke, but we can fix it. It's a Schraube.
Ah, okay, so it's just a screw. That does not look safe to me.
I think we cannot fix it.
Oh shit. Okay, that's bad. If they can't fix it, that's bad. That's really bad then. No bueno. Just so you know, Philip is a professional mechanic, so should be all good. We're getting fuel, all of us. Cars are looking sick. They have the issue still. Just look at them being all professional back there. What a legend. We have no idea how much that means, but we will find out somehow. So we've been here now probably 1 hour.
Yeah.
And it's really cold.
Freezing cold.
Yeah, freezing cold. So they said everything is good. So I'm gonna start my beast up as well. It is so smooth. I hope we can still slide a bit. We are on the move, which is good. Ow, that did not sound good whatsoever. So yeah, we're just gonna drive a little bit and see. Let's go. The roads here, man, are insane. They are so slippery.
We have our first challenge. Last one to arrive at the Romanian border has to pay coffee for everyone, which is a fun challenge, but at the moment we are last by quite a bit. So we have to catch up now. Let's go. We caught up to Nico and Albo. That was easy actually. We drove like 3 minutes and now we already caught up. And now we just have to overtake them. We just passed Nico in a very legal way, of course. Now let's pass Albo in a legal way. But do we get onto the next lane is the question? No, we don't. Anyway, we'll get it next time. We made it! We are officially 4th place. That means we are not last and we are getting a coffee for free. Looking good, looking good.
Okay, we made it to the petrol station, as you have just seen. The cars are looking absolutely phenomenal. Very happy with that. There's the other ones. So what happened? English.
There was one moment
Yeah.
which you were braking and
Yeah.
I was braking and my car like it was so close, bro. Now it's the compact smoking.
Oh damn! Smoke edition! Oh, that's
fine.
radiator.
Yeah, it's fine.
Are you sure?
Just
The rain.
the rain.
Oh, okay.
Going.
You know what? You can't even use your iClip here because they don't take any German money, or let's say normal European money by the name of euros. Okay, so this is what the Romanian border looks like, basically. Traffic. But this is a serious border.
Good evening.
Perfect. Thank you. Have a good one. They literally wanted nothing. That was super easy. Good thing about iClip, just clip it a bit back in and good to go. Hey boys, how's it doing? Okay, they passed the vibe check.
Okay, they're pumping music. They're happy, they're having fun. I have fun too. So yeah, 10 minutes, then we are in the hotel.
But I need to speak my mind. My mind. What's hiding deep inside? I need to speak my mind.
We have made it to our hotel. This place looks so fancy.
Is this the right place?
I hope so, because it looks
I
nice.
think, but I don't see Alex and Lukas.
Yeah, I have no idea where they went, but they are not here.
Ja, ich call them schnell.
It's so weird when they completely opened it to do it, because sometimes obviously it locks so you can drift, and sometimes then it opens up again and it stops, so it's kind of tricky, but like you get used to it quickly, I think. We parked inside, the other boys are just back there. Let's see if we're gonna be allowed to actually leave our cars here, but I guess we're just gonna do it.
This looks like a pretty fancy hotel, to be honest. Stein Collection Hotel. They got a bar, and now you're happy.
Yes.
At first, we are now normal people, okay? Ah, okay. Tomorrow, crazy again, but now, normally, okay?
What are you the most excited about now?
About now?
Yeah.
A cold beer.
Yeah.
Another day, another hotel, guys. 45 euros per person, so absolutely perfect.
This is, oh my god! Just look at that! Oh my god! I even got a coffee machine in here! Boah, wie geil ist das?
11 o'clock on the bar, cold beer together.
Oh damn! Whoa, shit! Whoa, now I'm blown away. It is so clear. Wow. You wanna shower together?
It's very cool.
Fancy. Wow. Also, we got a balcony. Wow.
Alright, guys. We are the only survivors left. Alex and Lucas are going to sleep.
Have a nice day.
Cheers.
Nico, no, it's only water. I forgot it. It's your fault.
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and get ready for the next one. It's gonna get even more crazy. Tomorrow, it's time to go into the mountain.
And round two, guys. Round two. Cheers.
Can we go to a club? We don't need sleep, huh?
No, we don't need sleep.
Easy.
If you want to drift into a tree tomorrow, then let's go to a club.
That's your job, please. The same like every trip.
I haven't hit the tree yet.
Yet.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I won't do it again.
Thanks, Nico.
It looks insane around here.
Behind Albo. David broke the safe.
So that's where the guys are.